Hi there, I'm here and today we're going to make the best ever oven-baked brownie. This is fudgy, it's chewy, it's got loads of chocolate in it. What more could you want? And I am gonna show you a really quick trick at the end that will make this the best ever brownie that you have ever tasted. So let's get right into it. First of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees C or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and line an 8-inch square baking pan. I always use parchment paper so that my brownies lift out easily. Next, grab a large bowl and add in 200 grams of unsalted butter plus 4 ounces of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa solids or above. Place this over a saucepan of barely simmering water and make sure that the base of the bowl is end touching the water. Just sit it on top of the saucepan. Keep stirring until all of the butter and chocolate has melted. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool slightly. Next, add 200 grams of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Using a wooden spoon, mix this on a low speed until the mixture looks like this. Next, crack in 3 eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Be careful not to overbeat the eggs or else your brownies will be tough. Next, in a separate bowl, mix together 100 grams of all-purpose flour or plain flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. This is the dry mix for our brownies. Next, add this to the wet ingredients and fold everything together until just combined. Don't overmix at this stage. Now it's time to add in 200 grams of chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate today, but you can use dark chocolate or even white chocolate if you like. Or you can use a combination of all three. Just make sure that you use good quality chocolate. It will make a huge difference in the final result. Fold the chocolate chips into the brownie batter until they are evenly distributed. Next, pour the brownie batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it out evenly. Now for the secret ingredient that will make these brownies truly mind-blowing. Add a tablespoon of instant coffee. I like to use espresso instant coffee. It's stronger and has a richer flavor than regular instant coffee. But if that's all that you have, then use that. Add it on top of the brownie batter and then use a knife to swirl it around. You don't want to overmix it or else the coffee will sink to the bottom and your brownies won't be as rich. Swirling it around just ensures that the coffee is evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now bake this in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with just a few moist crumbs on it. Do not overbake these or else they will be dry. When the timer goes off, remove the brownies from the oven and place them on a wire rack to cool completely before cutting. And here's a really quick tip. If you want your brownies to be extra fudgy and chewy, then underbake them by about 5 minutes. That means baking them for 20 to 25 minutes instead of the full 30. It's really up to you how you like your brownies. I like them super fudgy and chewy, so I underbake mine by 5 minutes almost every time. And once the brownies are completely cooled, cut them into 16 equal squares and enjoy. These keep really well in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. You can also freeze them for longer storage. I hope that you enjoy these as much as we do. They really are the best ever. I love that they are super easy to make, yet they impress every single time. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you next time.